Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about the use of the Viltrox EF to MFT converter. I know I said I was going to try out the PhotoDX, but price made me get this. All the same, there are lots of products offering the same functions out there and they're all great products. I wish I could try all of them though. This is coming a little late from the time I made the video about the Velo converter I purchased. But anyways, let's dig right in. First of all, it is important to note that photographers may not find this video completely useful. I use the word may because I am totally into videos and things like autofocus speeds don't matter to me as I use manual most of the time. That said, it came nicely packed, like gosh I love the packaging. I did admire the box for a little while before I popped it open and forth came this beauty. When I moved from Canon to Lumix GH4, I browsed the internet a lot looking for affordable converters for my EF lenses to MFT. I didn't mind if it had no control contacts. I found the Velo converter and purchased it. It did quite mount the EF lens onto my GH4, but a lot did not feel right about it. This made me search further and later found this Viltrox converter. This converter has been awesome so far and does everything as advertised. The contacts have never failed me and seamlessly works with my Panasonic GH4. It is a metal build, very sturdy and snaps on tight. I did feel some loose ends after a long while of using this device, but realized quickly it was the base and not the actual mount. To fix the base, I used an Allen key or hex wrench depending on what you call it. There is a micro USB port on the side of this converter for upgrade. I have been using this for about a year now and I have not found any need to upgrade it. With the Viltrox EF to Micro Four Thirds converter, I can mount any Canon lens onto my Lumix GH4 and controlling focus and aperture works smooth for all my video needs. This indeed is a must-have if you have a Micro Four Thirds camera like mine and have Canon lens options. There isn't much more to say about this product, but go get it and thank me later. Alright, do not forget to subscribe and like. Bye for now.